Students, let's start today's class, that is progression from paper 1, that is exercise 6.2 problem number 13th. Exercise 6.2 problem number 13th. I'll just read the question. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs? The nth term of two APs are equal. That is, nth term of this AP and nth term of this AP will be equal for which value of n? So we have to find here n. Okay, given two APs are given, we have to find here the nth terms are equal. We have to find n. Okay, see, a is equals to, we know that a is first term, that is 63. D is equals to 65 minus 63. We got the value of D as 2, A as 63. So a n का फॉर्मूला डालिए, nth term a plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute कर दीजिए my values. A is how much? 63 plus n minus 1 into 2. That is 63 plus 2n minus 2. 63 minus 2 is what? 61 plus 2n. ये हम nth term of first series find करें. हम वैसे nth term of second series find करेंगे माँ. Here the a is 3, d is second term minus first term, that is 10 minus 3. We answered, we got it as 7. A is 3 and D is 7. Nth term formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute the values and get the nth term. An is equals to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. 3 plus 7 into n is 7n minus 7. So 7n, 7 में से 3 गया तो कितना बचता माँ? Since 7 is bigger number, minus 4. अब क्या बोल रहा माँ? The nth terms are equal. This is given. The nth terms are equal. 61 plus 2n is equals to 7n minus 4. I mean, collect n terms to one side. 61 minus 4 is equal to किधर आते? Plus 4 is equals to 7n minus 2n. 7n minus 2n is how much? 5n is equals to 65. N is equals to 65 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 3s are 15. N is equals to 13. Therefore, 13th term of an AP are equal. 13th term of an AP's 13th term of an AP's are equal. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 4. Next question, determine the AP whose third term, that is A13, whose third term is 16, third term is given, that is 16, and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Seventh term, that is A7, exceeds the fifth term, that is A5 plus 12. This is the second hint, we got it. A3 is equals to 16. अब हम इसको फॉर्मूले में डाल दो माँ. A plus 2D is equals to 16. A plus 2D, A3 का फॉर्मूला, A plus 2D is equals to 16. यहाँ पर आ जाओ माँ, सेवेंथ टर्म A plus 6D is equals to फिफ्थ टर्म फॉर्मूला A plus 4D plus 12. A get cancel. Collect D. 6D minus 4D is equals to 12. 6 minus 4 is 2D is equals to 12. 2 ones are 2 6 are. We got the value of D as 6. Okay. Once we got the value of D as 6, now we substitute this in. Substitute D is equals to 6 in A plus 2D is equals to 16. A plus 2 into 6 is equals to 16. A plus 6 2s are 12 is equals to 16. A is equals to 16 minus 12. So A is equals to 4. We got the value of A as 4. We got the value of D as 6. We have to determine the AP we have to find the first term, we have to find the second term and we have to find the first term. Third term, first term is always a, जो हमको आ गया 4. A1, A2 formula is a plus 1d, that is 4 plus 6, we got it as 10. A3, the third term, a plus 2d. A कितना है 4 plus 2 into d, that is 2 into 6. Directly I am putting it as 12. Okay, 12 plus 4 is how much? 16. Therefore, the AP is 4, 10, 16 and so on. Let's move to the next question. Fifth question. Yeah, next question. Find the 20th term from the end of an AP. This is given. End of an AP. We have to find from this side. What is given? 3, 8, 13, so on till 253. This is given. We have to find the 28th term from the end of AP. That is, we have to reverse it here. देखो 3, 8, 13, so on. 253 से पहले का term क्या होता है 248. What it will be? 248. Now reverse it. 253, 248, so on. 13, 8, 3. We have to find the 20th term from the end of an AP. So A is how much? 253. A is, sorry, once again I'll read. 3, 8, 13, so on till 253. Okay. We have to find it from the end of an AP. Reverse it, 253, 248, so on. The first term now it will be 253. D is common difference. Minus कर दो 248 minus 253. We get the answer as minus 5. We have to find 20th term. A20. We have to find 20th term. A20 is equals to A plus 19D. A कितना हो गया हमारा 253 plus 19 into minus 5. 253 plus minus 19 into 5. 9 5s of 95. When you subtract this, 158. Therefore, the 20th term from the end of an AP is 158. Now let's move to the next question. 16th question. The sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 28. The sum of 4th term and 8th term is 24. This is given. And the sum of 6th term, that is A6, 6th term and 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of an AP. Okay. A4 formula, A plus 3D plus 8th term formula, A plus 7D is equals to 24. Chaliye, A plus A is 2A, 7 plus 3 is 10D is equals to 24. This is your equation 1. Now 6th term we calculate. 6th term कैसा लिखेंगे हम लोग? A plus 5D. A plus 5D plus 10th term formula A plus 9D is equals to 44. A plus A is 2A plus 9 plus 5 is 14D is equals to 44. This is your equation 2. Solving 1 and 2 to get the value of A and D. Solving 1 and 2. 2A plus 10D is equals to 24. 2A plus 14D is equals to 44. This is your A. Subtract कर दीजिए माँ. Minus, 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 cancel. 10 minus 14 is minus 4D is equals to, this becomes minus 20. Minus, minus, cancel. 4 1s are 4 5s are. D is equals to 5. We got the value of D as 5. Now substitute in any equation to get the value of A. Substituting D is equals to minus 5 into A plus 10D is equals to 24. 2A plus 10 into minus 5 is equals to 24. 2A minus let's check up. See, we got the value of D as 5. Cancel कर दिया 4 1s are 4 5s are. We got the value of D as 5. So 10 5s are 50 is equals to 24. 2a is equals to 24 minus 50. 2a is equals to minus 26. 2 1s are 2 3s are. That is a is equals to minus 13. We got the value of a as minus 13. We got the value of d as 5. हमको first 3 terms find करो बोला. The first term will be a1, that is nothing but a. We got it minus 13. Second term a2, that is a plus 1d minus 13 plus 5. Minus 13 plus 5, this is equals to minus 8. Third term a3 is equals to a plus 2d, that is minus 13 plus 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Answer we got it as minus 3. Therefore, the first 3 terms are minus 13, comma minus 8, comma minus 3. Now let's move to the next question, 17th question of this exercise. Subba Rao started work in 1995 at a monthly salary of rupees 5,000. At a monthly salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his salary reaches 7,000? After how many years will he get 7,000? See, in 1995 he was receiving 5,000. In 1996, he will be getting an increment of 200, so it becomes 5,200. In next year, he will be receiving 5,400 and so on. After how many years he will be receiving 7,000? We have to find here n, कितने years के बाद he will be getting 7,000. Here A is how much? A is 5,000. D is how much? D is 200 and we know the nth term, that is 7,000. Simple substitution. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 7,000. 7,000 is equals to 5,000 plus n minus 1 into 200. Okay. So 7,000 plus is equal to इधर आते क्या हो जाता माँ minus 5,000 is equals to n minus 1 into 200. 7 में से 5 निकाल दो कितना बचा माँ 2,000 is equals to n minus 1 into 200. मल्टीप्लीकेशन इधर आते क्या हो जाएगा माँ डिवीजन. So n minus 1 is equals to 2,000 by 200. ये 0 this get cancelled. So n minus 1 is equals to 20. N is 2 1s are 2 10s are 20. So n minus 1 is equals to 10. N is equals to 10 plus 1, that is n is equals to 11. So after 11 years, his salary reaches 7,000. After 11 years, his salary reaches 7,000. This is all for today. Thank you.